Hello guys, and welcome back to another video with my channel. I'm 5003 and I'm here to help you. So this is another chess opening called the Stafford gambit. This is one of my favorite variations on this gambit, but it's not very good for classical games because your opponent has more time to think. It's really good for blitz though. So the opening is very standard. It starts off e4, e5, nf3, nf6, then takes e5, sacrificing the knight on nc6, and then of course they would take, and then you would take with this pawn, and then they go d3, trying to like solidize that space. Then you would go bishop c5. You would go bishop e2. You could go h5. They would castle. You go mg4. They would go h3. Then you could go q to d6. So that is right here. And then this is impossible to stop, basically. You can go take here, you take, and then whatever they do, let's say they try to, I don't know, they're confused still, try to, I don't know, stop this. And then there's nothing they could do. They could do it here, whatever. That's it. That is a very aggressive opening. It's also, look at the analysis. Look. Let me show you the game review.
Black broke the deadlock with a swift checkmate in the middle game.
Look, there's great moves, best moves, lots of blunders.
Starting with the king's pawn is a versatile first move, and capturing the undefended pawn. Starting with the that is, even if Black Fabiano Caruana went undefeated in the 2018 capturing. There take defend this. Not a wow, dropping a pawn like that, not ideal. Ignoring the threat on the knight, bold strategy. This allows the opponent to force eventual checkmates on the horizon. Getting the bishop, they're delaying the inevitable. Checkmate's still coming. This allows the opponent to checkmate the king. Checkmate. That's all she wrote.
That's it.